most luxurious 5-star hotel, and it's in Vegas. It could cost you a cool $20K per night on a busy weekend. You could buy a car or stay here for a night.
Worth it? Let's check!
Do you see any difference?
No difference.
And no people.
And no people.
God lost my soul. We running up. God lost my soul. We running up. God lost my soul. We running up.
Guys, welcome to our vlog, and today we review this beautiful hotel. So let's take a small tour around the room. Light on. Here is the most expensive view in Las Vegas. This is a smart room. You can control by your voice all electric device what you see here. You can control like air condition, light, shades, like no more old school text in a door. You just press button, privacy, and that's it. So welcome to future. But if you are lazy, use this tablet or press the button. Super easy. And also you have smart minibar. You will be charged automatically. A same here. And you have an Andy Warhol art on each wall. And here, and here, and even here. And each room has personal spa. Spa bath, shower, and best TV.
Your hot dog. You can break up your little training roast.
Alexa, open the window. Alexa, play music.
Playing Wynn music from iHeartRadio.
Alexa, light on.
Okay.
So guys, if you come to Vegas, you have a friend, Alexa. Alexa, what's the best coffee shop in Las Vegas?
I found a few top-rated coffee shops in Las Vegas. There's Starbucks, 7.3 miles away on North.
So, let's check this out. We are staying today in Wynn Suite Hotel. So, this is probably the most standard room here, but the only one difference, we stay on 60th floor. This room deserves special treatment. Clean. Clean. Dusty. Clean. Dusty. Clean. 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 Clean.
It cost $2.7 billion to build. To put things in perspective, Bellagio, another luxurious hotel built by the same Steve Wynn, cost twice less. When you're staying here in Wynn, you have access to like 20 upscale restaurants. Some of them have a Michelin star, spas, salons, lounges, bars, 3 fitness centers, and several pools. And of course, luxury shopping. Let's go for it. And what I like most about it is common grounds with expensive flower gardens and exclusive art. And if you like golfing, it's back. Now you can book your golf tee again. Fun fact, a few years ago they decided to close a golf course. But they saw such a huge loss in casino revenue that they decided to bring golf back. Same happened to parking. No more paid parking, free parking for everyone.
Useful tip. If you are playing around 10 minutes, you will get free of charge drink. Any drinks, beer, champagne, whiskey, or just Diet Coke. But if you can stop gambling, your room key has hotline. You can call it Agar Help. Alexa, light on.
Okay.
Alexa, open window. Alexa, play music.
Playing Wynn music from iHeartRadio.
So hungry. Alexa, order some breakfast in the room.
Wynn and Encore can help.
So guys, thank you for watching this vlog, and I check everything in this room. I recommend it. It's like almost super clean and you feel like in luxury deluxe suite in Las Vegas.